Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python MongoDB sort. So let's see what is it. So use the sort of method to sort the result in ascending or descending order. So if you're having a list of methods or like list of orders, so the sort of method will help you to sort it out in ascending or descending order according to their number. Like if it is going to be in increasing order or it is going to be in decreasing order. Okay, so that is what called ascending or descending order. Okay. So the sort of method takes one parameter, that is for the field name, and the one parameter for the direction. Okay, so this is the one example I have used here. You can see on screen that the sort the result alphabetically by name. So alphabetically means like if we are having the orders of name, it will work as a alphabetically. That means A, B, C, D, like that only. So it is going to be ascending or descending. We have not mentioned it should be ascending or descending. So it will automatically work as a ascending. Okay, so that is what it means. So let me just you can see the screen. You can like if it is 1 is mentioned, that means it is in ascending form. If -1 is mentioned, that means it is in descending form. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.